Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're having an unboxing, and today it's the flex fuel. So this is one of the parts for the GTR that we're going to be installing, and while we have the intake manifold out, it only makes sense to go ahead and install it. So we're going to go ahead and open it and show you guys what the flex fuel is. Now this company is called Full Blown Motorsports. You might heard about it, and they have a really good flex fuel kit. So let's go ahead and open it and just show you a little bit of what's included, and then we're gonna go ahead and go install it. Out of the box, really good packaging. So you got all the lines, all the fuel lines and everything. Come and look at that packaging, perfect. GTR's flex fuel. I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Now this flex fuel system goes ahead and you can connect this to your Ecutech, and it also brings a gauge so you can monitor your ethanol content. But like I said, it's a plug and play, so you can go ahead and have all the information on Ecutech where it'll display the ethanol content there. So here's the wiring. Like I said, it is for plug and play. Here's the flex fuel sensor. More fittings. I mean, everything is packaged like amazing. Look at this. And here's the gauge. And this, like I said, is a plug and play. So the gauge is from Innovative. So there it is. And then obviously it will show you your ethanol content. So this kit was a really good price, and a lot of people said to get this one, and that's why we got it. So we're gonna go ahead and install it, and that with the Ecutech is gonna be a whole different thing. So then the car will be flex fuel now. So whatever ethanol, so for example, if it has half tank of 93 or half tank of 85 and we gotta go somewhere, we can put 93, and automatically the map will adjust to that. So pretty excited. We're gonna go ahead and go install it, and yeah, we'll see how it all reacts. To get flex fuel, you gotta make sure it's tuned. So my tuner will be Sam Barrows, and I will showing you the whole tuning process and everything like that. So pretty much I want to get everything installed, and he's gonna be sending me maps, and then it's a remote tune. Hey guys, all right, so here it's pretty much the kit. Here's the flex fuel sensor, and then right over here is the lines. So this kit is actually designed by Full Blown Motorsports, and how they design it is that the lines actually go through here. So we have to remove this box over here, right over here. We have to remove this in order to get the lines, because the lines actually go through the bottom of here, and then the sensor, it's gonna be here, the gauge, I'm sorry. And yeah, so it's basically, it's gonna be a nice plug and play. I just want to show you guys, because I've seen a lot of fuel, a lot of flex fuel videos with GTRs, and what can I say, this, you can't even tell, like it's not clear. So I want to show you exactly. So we're gonna go ahead for this flex fuel, the Full Blown Motorsports one. We're gonna go ahead, and it's gonna be run, the lines are gonna be run through here. There's a little grommet which I'll show you, and we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. We're gonna take all this, and then that's how it looks right now put together. Okay, all right guys, so real quick, so you're not gonna be able to see it in the video, so that's why I wanted to get this, because on the time lapse you want to see it. Okay, so you see those little bolts right there, so you're gonna take off all three. This is the auxiliary pump, and what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be disabling this, and we're gonna be plugging the fuel sensor, the flex fuel gauge here. Okay, so there's a plug right there, and that's what it's gonna be plugged. So this is a whole plug and play. You don't have to splice or anything like that. So this is what we're gonna be taking off first. We're gonna disable this, so we're not gonna be no longer needing this. And through here, it's where we're gonna actually move all the cables and route them through for this kit. Alrighty, it's out. As you can see, we no longer need this. There is a mount over here And then the lines are gonna be run through that hole right there, the fuel line. So it's gonna be a cleaner look. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting anything that we need. And basically we're gonna be starting removing the lines and all that, so you guys can see what the process is. All right, so I don't know if you can tell in the video, but the lines are run through here. There's a little circle there that the lines are run, like a little grommet. So the lines are run through here, and then basically they come out this way, as you can see. You have to push this a little bit this way so you can fit the lines there. But this is simple. What you do, you see this line over here, not this one. You don't touch this green one. Touch this, I'm sorry, you don't touch this orange one. Touch this green one right here, okay? Basically, you're gonna, there's two little knobs right there. You're gonna push them down on each side, and that's gonna come out. There's a fitting that I have. And basically, what you're gonna do, this line here, this one, once you take it out, it's gonna go here. And then there's a fitting that we're gonna be able to put on this line here. And we're gonna put this on top, like so. So bear with me, I know how I say it, but it's gonna make sense once we have it all routed out, so. All right, guys, so here is the gauge. It looks amazing. So these plugs over here, you're not gonna use this at all. The only plugs that you're gonna use is these two. So this is gonna go to your flex fuel sensor, and this is gonna go to where this one. So basically, this plug over here that we took out, that plug, it's gonna plug into this. So it's a very plug and play, obviously. And we're gonna go ahead and put everything together. I just wanted to show you that. All right, here is the other wiring that you have. So what you're gonna do, this wiring brings this here. So you can connect this to your gauge. And then remember, that cable right there goes to this box here, the ones that we took out. So that plugs in there, and then that plugs in here, and then this will plug into your flex fuel sensor. And then just finish putting the fitting from the other line, which is gonna be here. We're gonna finish putting it there, right here, and then pretty much we are all set with this installed. All right, guys, there it is. She's all done. I'm not gonna turn it on, but I'll do that later on. So just follow the build, subscribe, please, and follow me on Instagram. It's Brian_built_. That's my Instagram. Guys, I got this kit from Full Blown Motorsports, and obviously there's the Flex Fuel GTR kit, and I love it. It's so awesome. This is all gonna be covered with this, with the battery cover. I'm just leaving it like that so you guys can see what the final product is. So here's the flex fuel sensor, and like I said, these lines ran all the way through and all the way here, and it looks freaking clean. You can barely tell obviously. If you really look into it, you can see that the lines. But I'm gonna just show you a close-up so you guys can see what I was talking about. And if you have any questions regarding this install, please go ahead and comment below. This is such a awesome piece in a kit because it hides everything. So it looks almost OEM. Obviously, when you put this here, you can't tell. Like somebody will be looking at that and be like, oh, that just looks like normal. So anyway, so I got that and the lines through there. So I'm super happy with this kit, guys. Like again, if you don't mind, go ahead and give a like, follow, and subscribe, please. We got more stuff coming for the GTR, the build and everything. So I can't wait. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it. And like I said, if you have any questions, comment below. Bye, guys. Have a good one.